Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. Do you know how to pronounce these words? Well, if you're not sure, don't worry, because in this lesson I'm going to show you how to pronounce them correctly. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button and click on the little bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new lesson. And now let's get started. First of all, we'll look at the verb. As you can see, it has two syllables and the stress is on the second syllable. So it should sound like this: maintain, maintain, main-tain, main-tain, maintain. I'll say it one more time and then there'll be a pause for you to repeat. Are you ready? Maintain. Great. And now we'll do it together after 3. 1, 2, 3. Maintain. Excellent. Let's have a look at it now in an example sentence. I'll say the sentence 3 times. The first time, just listen. After the second time, there'll be a pause for you to repeat and practice. And the third time, we'll say it together after a count of 3. It will be hard to maintain our high standards at this difficult time. It will be hard to maintain our high standards at this difficult time. Great. And now together, 1, 2, 3. It will be hard to maintain our high standards at this difficult time. And now we'll take a look at the noun, which is a little bit different. As you can see, it has 3 syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. It should sound like this: maintenance, maintenance, main-ten-ance, main-ten-ance, maintenance. I'll say it one more time and there'll be a pause for you to repeat. Are you ready? Maintenance. Great. And now we'll say it together after 3. 1, 2, 3. Maintenance. Excellent. Now let's try an example sentence. Again, I'll say the sentence 3 times. First time, just listen. After the second time, there'll be a pause for you to repeat. And the third time, we'll say it together after a count of 3. We carry out regular maintenance checks on all of our technical equipment. We carry out regular maintenance checks on all of our technical equipment. Great. And now together, 1, 2, 3. We carry out regular maintenance checks on all of our technical equipment. So that brings us to the end of another pronunciation lesson. I hope you found it helpful, and if there are any other business words that you find difficult to pronounce, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to cover them in an upcoming pronunciation lesson. If you like the lesson, hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks, I send out my free vocabulary email with additional business English, words from the news, and everyday English for you to learn. The link is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.